Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix app icons not turning dark in dark mode in iPhone 17 Air. So let's start the video. First of all, go to open control center. So swipe down. Now here you will see dark mode icon is here. So if you want to turning on or off, so dark mode turning on, swipe down, dark mode turning off. There is another way of dark mode turning on or off. So just click and hold any app. You will see, click on edit home screen. Click on edit, you will see the edit option and click on customize. Now here this is darker and lighter mode, so if you want to apply darker mode, you will see darker, more darker and more darker. So after the selecting, click on screen, you will see. So that's how you can fix app icons not turning dark in dark mode in iPhone 17 Air. So hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.